అఖండ గోదావరి ప్రాజెక్టు ప్రారంభోత్సవ కార్యక్రమంలో కేంద్ర మంత్రి గజేంద్ర సింగ్ షెకావత్ మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. చూద్దాం.
The location into a year-round pilgrimage and wellness destination. To showcase the globally renowned Kadiam Nurseries, a 3-acre experience center is being set up in Kadiam, Lanka. It will feature floral exhibitions, live demos, gardening workshops, and restaurants offering authentic Godavari regional cuisine, blending historical history, horticulture, and hospitality. In addition, a new projects in Nida Davalu and Shami Shrogadam will offer pilgrim amenities, boating facilities, and canal side wayside amenities, thus unlocking rural tourism potential and uplifting local livelihoods. This combined effect of these initiatives is going to be transformational. Tourist footfall is expected to rise to 15 to 20 lakhs annually by 2025, having completed these projects. Over 1,000 direct jobs and 8,000 indirect employment opportunities will be generated in hospitality. Worldwide, it is experienced that any one tourist and a tourism hospitality infrastructure is created, it multiplies in 10 employment opportunities and jobs. So I am sure that the employment opportunities will be generated in hospitality, retail, handicrafts, and transportation. The average duration of tourist stays is expected to double from one day to nearly 3 days in this city, increasing local income, entrepreneurship, and multiple effects. These projects are not just about travel. They are about revitalizing economies, creating dignity in work, and making Andhra Pradesh a showcase of cultural confidence. Dear friends, under Shaski, another major project what we have taken in Andhra Pradesh is enriching the fort and gorge experience with an investment of over 77 crores. Andhra Pradesh is also beneficiary of central agency support, which completed projects like light and sound and light show at Puttaparthi, glass top coaches on the Vizag-Arakku line, cruise cum cargo terminal at Vizag port, and Tirupati railway station upgradation, each enhancing the last mile tourism experience. As we look ahead of India at 100, the Modi government envisages the Viksit Bharat by 2047, a USD 3 trillion tourism economy by 2047, with the sector contributing 10% to the national GDP. This roadmap includes expanding niche tourism in cruise, education, digital storytelling, and urban heritage trails, leveraging artificial intelligence and big data for personalized experience, deepening public-private partnerships for infrastructure development, building world-class amenities while considered divine. The success stories in Andhra Pradesh, from the Buddhist circus to Godavari Ghats, from coastal ecotourism to spiritual hubs, are proof that the vision, coordination, and public participation, we can build not just destination, but the destinies. As we step into future, let us welcome the world not only with open arms, but with world-class infrastructure, inclusive planning, and aesthetic Indian warmth. With these words, I can foresee, by having complete all these projects and the vision what Honorable Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister Garu have envisaged, I am sure that it is in sync with the vision Honorable Prime Minister have seen and envisaged for our country by 2047. Together we all, with the concept of cooperative federalism, I am sure that we are going to achieve this milestone. Our country will be a Viksit Bharat, and we will the fortunate part of the history that we will not only witness, but also we will be proud that we are the creators of our Viksit Bharat. Let us come together and send work for making our nation Viksit by 2047. With these words, I thank you all, and I thank Andhra Pradesh government for the warm hospitality, their sense of this hospitality, organizing this program. I must thank Honorable Pawan Kalyan Garu for rescheduling this program on my convenience. And also I thank the party workers of Bharatiya Janata Party and the NDA for making this program successful. I thank the district administration also and the friends from media for making this grand program successful. Thank you very much. Thank you.
ఇప్పుడు
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for coming here and address the gathering. We request గౌరవ మంత్రివర్యులు గౌరవనీయులు కొల్కూరు దుర్గేష్ గారి యొక్క చేతుల మీదుగా విచ్చేసినటువంటి ముఖ్య అతిథులందరికీ కూడా సత్కరించుకోబోతున్నాం. మానవీయ కేంద్రీయ ప్రజాసంస్థ సంస్థ भारत के गौरव जनप्रिय और दूरदर्शी नेता ऑनरेबल श्री